Yeah. Where we at, yeah?
We're going down.
Where? Where you at?
Car show?
What car show? Canada one?
Canada. Don't forget to drift to it.
Howdy, Trace. We're at the car show.
A little awkward.
Well, I almost dropped that. I almost dropped that. Let's go. Let's go get the future Cabre. Change that. Where's the Suburbans, the Dualies, the Fordards, the Brahmies, the Chevys? Okay, so...
Is it recording?
I think it's recording. Yeah, it's pretty sure it's recording. Okay, where are we going?
We're going somewhere. I'm power shifting.
You're not even steering.
I don't even care.
We're gonna die.
Anthony, power shift.
We're gonna hit the go-go with the white thing.
Guys,
Die, guys.
I'm gonna slam this thing real
We're
fucking
gonna
hard.
put the seatbelts on.
You real fast? Let's go. Seatbelt.
Tom, you got two seatbelts right there.
I got windows, don't worry.
You got windows? You're
Okay.
gonna die, bitch.
Okay.
Do we look
It's
good?
like the Chevy. How about that guy? Look, it's like the Chevy thing. Let's go to the Chevy building. Okay, let's go to the Chevy.
Alright.
Stop off right here.
Alright, stop here. Alright.
Car. Okay.
We are in, which kind of Benz is this?
I think a 500.
SRS.
SRS.
It's an SRS Benz.
Jane, that's the airbag.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm thinking Bronx
Airbag.
Motor, guys. What is it then?
It's called AMG 500, I think.
You think?
I
Okay.
checked the back.
Tom, what do you think? This is what it looks like in a new 09 or 010 Suburban. I went a bunch of little Berger inside. That's nice. Not bad. Those are the gauges.
It's not a bad color though. True. It's more of a silver than a silver. It's more of a silver.
It's like a silver pewter or something like that. It's not bad. It's nice. I like how the Berger. Let's swap to the Berger. That's a Gajot.
And this is home.
Let's go to the Hummers.
Be careful that somebody's trying to get some seat.
This is when you have a bundle family. This is perfect for home. This is the new Avalanche. Avalanche. Not Avalanche, Avalanche. The Gajot, huh? So good at... Let's see, the Gajot, see? Oh, we're popping hoods, we're doing deals.
So?
It's fun. We're being out.
What else to do?
Let's see, Sophie.
Well, first of all, Jane, come back. I'm going to show everyone what I would chug. I would chug this. Just everything to make your truck good.
Like that they used to do? No, he never did that.
It's all plastic. It's all plastic. It's not even foam. It's...
Yeah, what happens if the truck gets real hot? It's gonna melt.
No, that can't happen.
We'll just leave the hood open.
Yeah, a little fuck that.
Take two! Take two! We're popping this now. Popping this. Oh, that was bad, Thomas. Ayoy, lale, they popped it.
Where's that thing? I don't know where the thing is. Move. We're getting to 10. Yep, okay.
Let's see, is it
Let's put the thing up.
Right here.
Right there. Down. I'm sure you guys are so dumb.
I don't know how to do things.
What kind of motor is this? This only has 180 horsepower. She touched this switch.
It's Vortex. It's,
Jay, no shit.
42?
No,
How about
no,
that?
no
37.
shit. Why wouldn't it be Vortex?
well, no, I know, freak, but
The Chev.
it's a Chev.
Oh, Jay, let me
This is such a Beyond truck right here, sir. Alright, Tommy, this is good for when you and Holly have babies.
Good job, Jay. Good job.
So which holiday am I talking about? Ooh.
Wait, there's more than one.
You know she's gonna kick your ass.
Let's put parking. Oh, you eat parking brake when you eat.
If it was light, it'd be awesome.
Yeah. That's more fun.
Yes, gracias, si
It's like a little van. But there's my...
Hello, tu azúcar.
There's my...
Yeah, Tom,
That's our Sunday driver.
Holly got Tommy this.
Yeah.
She sent it all the way from, Texas.
Texas.
Texas, right? Wink, wink.
Nice
Texas.
logo,
Wink, wink. We're trying to decoy.
Oh yeah, Texas.
So,
Okay.
Tommy. Oh my God, you missed it. You missed it. Oh.
Shut the fuck up. The girl she looked at you like...
Right
Well, you should put your pee on the bike.
Right in here.
Right in there. See, you're really exhausting.
Was that supposed to be like a funny, like, joke, like hee hee ha ha? Look over there, Paul and Paul Jr. Look it, I met them. Look. Close up. Oh my God, I met them. Oh my God.
Good.
Hey, we're really close up to your face. Ew. Every time put his penis on the bike.
Fuck off.
What you did? Look, 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 look.
Oh,
You did.
You're getting crashed beside your head. Alright, let's do horse.
Beep, 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 beep.
Not bad.
Now that's where you're gonna put your pee pee. In there.
Shut the fuck up.
Look at the good she looked at. This is so bad.
Alright, bye.
Okay, retards. Is in a smart car.
This is our smart car. This car gets 6,000 miles to a gallon.
Little smart car.
You hear me? There's none.
There's no clutch on it.
though.
You have power shift. Why would you get power shift in a little 3-cylinder motor?
Oh, you gotta go to D+, you know?
I didn't have the tax.
I'm bored.
This vehicle is equipped with...
Is that a back seat? Or is that the trunk?
Is that Lojo?
Is that Lojo?
Is that low?
That's Lojo.
Is that low?
That's Lojo. Lojo. Heidi trade. So, we are,
50 cents.
calling the family. Because,
Here, I got
we're
lost.
going home. It's time to go home, right guys?
You know, we're going to Africa.
Africa! Something, something away from you.
Yes, stay home for that. Stay home.
Because my brothers have phones doesn't work.
Fuck you, James. My son died, so shut up. Father. Texas. You'll be texting Tommy.
Tom's phone died.
We're going up there right now. Alright. Alright. Let's go. Upstairs. You've eaten there 10 minutes. Get the change. Alright. Alright, $5. No.
Okay, we're gonna go and we're gonna be okay with leaving.
Okay. This is the end of the video somewhere. Bye, YouTube. See you guys later. Fuck you, Tom.
Alright, Son Thomas.
She's choked too. There's a woman in there.
Don't sit there.
Alright, bye. See you guys later. Or whatever, you know.
Peace.